Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 本 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 本 orange, this, root. For example, 基本 basic, main. This is the first basic view. First basic view. 这是第一个基本观点。这是第一个 the first 基本观点 basic view. 这是 this is 第一个基本观点 opinion view. This is the first basic view. 这是第一个基本观点。本 in cursive. 本 orange, this, root, 基本 basic, main. This is the first basic view. 这是第一个基本观点。Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character 本. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.